If you think a disability can make you dependent and unable to get on with life, think again. Meet 25-year-old Aditi Verma, born with a rare genetic disease and a willpower to take life head-on and beat the disease. Aditi is the proud owner of Aditi's Corner, a cafe in Navi Mumbai which serves Maggi, eggs, sandwiches, tea and much more. The cafe serves almost 75 to 80 meals every day and has become the go-to joint for the shopkeepers nearby as well as customers of the mall where the cafe is situated. Aditi may have Down syndrome, but as she greets customers with her endearing smile, meticulously takes down orders, her disability is barely evident.
Well, Aditi Verma certainly is an inspiration for not just persons with disabilities, but for all of us. But first up, let me meet the Wonder Woman's mother, Reena Verma, who is the driving force and the pillar of support for Aditi. Reena, thank you so much for joining us on ET Now, and my congratulations to the wonderful job you guys are doing in setting up Aditi's Corner. So, Reena, let me go across to you first. When did Aditi and how did Aditi convey her decision of what she'd like to do?
Aditi has completed her vocational training in the year 2015, and she was going in Navi Mumbai. There is a school that name is Swami Brahmanand Pratishthan. There she has completed her vocational training. Already she has got the 19 years and 20 years she has completed that time, and she's what to do next. So she started coming with me as I am having my own business, transport and logistics, and myself and my husband both are there. So she used to come along with us. I taught her how to go for data entry. Perfectly she was doing data entry. She was very much focused for that, but she was not at all enjoying that particular job. What she said, no mama, mujhe nahi acha lag raha, I want something for myself itself. Then she was, I think since like 11 years when she was towards more cooking and all. She was enjoying cooking, she was enjoying making tea, making small snacks and all. So she used to see one chai wala used to come in our office. Then one day she said, mama mujhe bhi chai bana ke lani hai and I'll serve in all the offices. So I said, okay, that is fine, but let's see something else. So that time my son was also there. He was 3.5 years younger than her. So he said, mama chalo upar ke floor par dekhte hain. Hum that time I was at the second floor. Then we came, a small shop was there. तो हमने कहा चलो let's start, let's see how many maybe 1-2 months जितना भी इसका मन करेगा, we'll see.
Okay, well, Reena, now what's it looking like? How do customers like Aditi and all her famous Maggi, tea, coffee, etc.?
Previously when it started, that time in this particular premises, because this premises is only office premises, that time very few offices were open. People were supporting, very much supporting her, and the way she used to go and take the feedback, the way because these people are very affectionate, very loving people. She used to go in each and every office and then she used to ask, sir, मैंने खोला है, please आप एक बार. So people started enjoying her Maggi, her sandwiches, the different way of making sandwiches. So people are enjoying, and something is very good, people are supporting. They used to give the support to Aditi because previously she was very slow in calculating the money. They used to wait, no problem. Nobody used to say ki nahi jaldi karo, ye karo. So they were literally enjoying, and now though they are all having the lunch and the snacks from Aditi's Corner. She used to take the orders, she used to give to her employee, uncle is there who used to cook, and one delivery boy is there.
Okay, but Reena, what is the toughest part of Aditi's journey?
The first thing is to cope up with the what I felt ki something, because she was not very good in conversation, and the second, the fund, of course the fund was the main thing. We got the Mudra loan from Union Bank of India, that to 50,000 rupees. So we started with that. Slowly people started, and we have kept the very the rates of the product is very low, because we doesn't want to grow for the more profit. I just want to keep her busy and just keep her independent, make her independent. So one thing was that finance problem was the main thing for us. because we were going, though we have got through with the Google, number of schemes are there for the government, but at the gross level, we can grass level, it's too I'm not too complicated. We are not able to reach up to that particular thing.
So Reena, do you think that India has the infrastructure to support people like Aditi?
Yes, though the schemes are, too many schemes are there, very good schemes are there, but it has to be, implementation is not, I don't know ki what kind of implementation, yeah, what they want, because number of documentation, though we are giving the documentations also, you have to wait, there are number of people in the queue. Aditi is lucky, as we have already, we have taken ourselves, we have given everything, but the people, those who cannot afford, that's very difficult. Some schemes, whatever schemes of the government, it should come practically so that the people can find it easy, because number of people, they want to start, because after seeing Aditi, they are also interested, because they know ki their children can also do this thing. The only problem with the finance, if these schemes can come at the grassroots level and they can implement it easily, so people can approach these schemes and they can get the benefits of these schemes.
Is an inspiration. So now let's talk to the star herself, Aditi Verma. Aditi, thank you. आपने आपका कीमती वक्त दिया ET Now पे. तो बताइए आपको ये आइडिया कैसे लगा कि मैं Aditi's Corner स्टार्ट करूँ?
मेरे फादर की, जब मैं पापा के ऑफिस में आती थी तो मेरे पास देखती थी कि एक चाय वाला को देखा था, तभी मैंने चाय वाले का आइडिया आया, चलो मैं कुछ करती हूँ करके। तभी मेरे मदर को बोला मैं घर में अच्छी चाय बनाती हूँ, घर से चाय लाती हूँ, यहाँ पे चाय बांटूँगी करके। तो चाय बांटने के बाद मेरी मदर ने बोला थोड़ा सा बड़ा सोचो। तभी मेरे भाई अमन ने मुझे ऊपर देखा, छोटा सा जगह देखा, तभी उन्होंने बोला थोड़ा ट्राई करते हैं कब तक चलेगा। अभी तक मेरा 3 साल कंप्लीट हो गया करके।
ओके अदिति, आपको सबसे कठिन या मुश्किल पार्ट कौन सा लगता है?
ज़्यादा कस्टमर आता ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा मुश्किल ही आती है, मैं कैसे संभालूंगी, कैसे आगे कर पाऊंगी, वही मुश्किल है।
और अदिति, आपका सबसे फेवरेट डिश कौन सा है कैफे से?
मेरे नेशनल में मैगी फेमस है, मैगी का।
Okay, well Aditi, thank you so much. I can't wait to go over to your cafe and have that delicious Maggie. And for all the guys out there who may be in Navi Mumbai and wondering where to get a nice cup of tea, you know where to go now. On that note, we'll wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching this very special edition of The Money Show.